So how do you create a flying or a jumping text in VSDC free video editor? This simple animation will definitely better your videos. Stay tuned to know. Hello everyone, this is Joshua from Realms of Glory Fusion. Consider subscribing if that sounds interesting to you. So we go straight to our blank project and give our project a title. So we go straight to text. Click OK. So we type in our text. For this tutorial, let me increase this font probably to 120, as you see there. So I hold this and drag it out of the screen. I come here to text, as you see down there. So I go to my movement icon, just click OK. So you see the small square, I hold and drag it to the screen. You can drag it to any part of the screen you want, but let me leave it there. So I go to my point settings, as you see there. I change the path start point to yes, and the time frame to 10. You can put any of your choice, but I prefer 10. So if I give it a play, you see it jumping into the screen. So I go back to scene, give it a play. So now I hold this text and reduce its play time. So now let me just copy this text so that I can give it a fly out. So I click copy, then I paste. So I just hold this and drag it to the other end, just like that. So before I do that, let me first delete this movement in this other text that I just copied. So now just overlap this a little bit there and align these texts together. Yeah, that is perfect. They are now on the same alignment. So now I go back and click my text there to give it a fly out. Click movement and click OK. Hold the small square and drag it out so that it can fly out. So I change my path start point to yes and the time frame to 10. So if I go back to scene and I give it a play, see it flying, then it flies out. But you can also make it fly out in a different direction. So let me double click my text and now delete that movement. I want to give it a different fly out. So I go back to my movement icon, click OK, hold that small square, and this time let me drag it up outside the screen. I change this to yes, then this to 10, time frame to 10. Okay, so go back to scene and I give it a play. It flies in, now flies out in a different direction.